Nope, I've never filmed the garbage truck before, but I think the cab makes an exception. White-Volvo. Look at that. No more garbage. Oh well.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's not a great sound.
I think it's the
nice.
motor brake.
Non, mais on était venu juste pour voir si on pourrait avoir un train.
Ça fait à peu près un mois et demi qu'il est rendu vert, hein? Vert et blanc.
Oh, yeah?
Avant ça, c'est lui qui était bleu.
Ben, je disais à ton ami, là, dans l'ouest, là, canadien, il est ouest.
1998 White-Volvo garbage truck with a Leach box. Looks older than 98, but it's one of those trucks that kept the design through the years, I guess. Really nice. Very European, Volvo, Swedish. Elton getting in there, of course. Always on top of things, Mr. McFall. You know. Gotta love transportation and vehicles on the road. Yep, that's right. It's funny, we both bent down at the same time. Bonne journée! Pas mal cool. Not too bad at all.